Why do some birds bob their heads up and down? Kingfishers stare at the water from a perch above. They bob their heads up and down when they change their field of view. This constant bobbing of the head and the head swaying is called motion parallax, and it helps the birds to judge distances more accurately. As they move their heads around, they are changing their visual perspectives, which help them work out how far away an object is. Owls are not able to move their eyes in their sockets, so they rely on this head bobbing to work out distance and depth perception. Owls can turn their heads right around and look what is happening behind them.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.